Hello friends, welcome back. Here you can see that I just explained you the position static. So what is the use of the static position? So basically I just zoom in so that you can see it properly. That an element with position static is placed based on the user scroll. It can fix the head portion of the text and they can scroll the rest portion of the text simultaneously. That means when you use the sticky position, so some text will be fixed and some text will be scrolled down automatically. So here you can see that it can fix the head portion of the text and it can scroll down the rest portion of the text. That means the head portion of the view text will be fixed for at a particular position, and the tail portion and the rest of the portion of the text will be scroll down automatically when you scroll the total page here. So but the head portion will be still stick in the same position. So so here you can see that. So in order to scroll the rest position, we just use the sticky position, and then the head portion will be stored and fixed. So here is the total syntax here. So basically we just use the our div text sticky here. So for that we just use it, and here is the total syntax here. So I just write here div dot sticky. Basically our WebKit is, bar sticky is basically used for the Safari browser. If you use the another browser, there is no problem, but for particular Safari browser we just use WebKit sticky, and for other browser we just use only sticky only. So for that here you can use the top is 0, background color is green color, we just use it. You can choose up to you, and after that we just use the border area here. Border area is 2 pixels solid, and after that I just select the color here. And next portion is our total example portion here, and we just use it. So this is the example portion. I just zoom it, and here you can see that this is the document HTML here, and this is the header portion here, this is the style portion here, and this is the style one, and this one is our total header portion. And here you can see that inside the style portion we just write the div dot stick. This is the stick properties here, and I just write it here only. And after that we can see that this is the body portion here, and here you can write the heading portion, paragraph portion, and I just create a division for sticky properties, and inside the division I just create a class also. So div class is equals to sticky, and this one is our basically division here. And here you can I just write some text here so that it can when you scroll it you can see that what is this changes is going on. So for that we just write it here, and for that I just scroll it so that you can see it properly. So again I just go to my example portion here, and you can see that this is the total program here. So for that we just write it here, and this is the total style property. And after that I just write it in our program. So for that we just write it, and next one is our just I just scroll it, and this is the total body portion here, and this body portion will show to the user. And next just write I just go to create a new file, and then after I just remove all, and after that I just write doc type HTML, and after that we just write HTML, and I just close it by using /HTML. and next one is our header section, and I just close it using by /head, and after that I just use body portion here, and inside body I just write body, and after that I just write header portion, a style here, and after that I just use slash style, and inside it I just zoom it so that you can see it properly. What can I write here? And after that I just write the sticky position here. So for that I just write a deep dot sticky. uh, After that I just write position is mm, web kit slash bar sticky. It is basically used for our the Safari browser, and this position property is basically used for Safari. I just write it so you do not confuse on that. So I just write it here, and after that I just use the position property for another all the browsers. So for that I just use position is property is sticky. It is used for all the browsers, that is Chrome, Internet Explorer, or another browser. And after that I just write top is 0, and uh, background color is I just select a blue color, and at next I just select a border here. Also I just select the border is 5 pixel, that is solid border. And after that I just select the color here. I just color yellow color here. You can choose any color, it's up to you. There is no border, no problem here. And inside the body portion I just first write the heading section. So I just write this is the heading for sticky position. And after that I just write this is the paragraph here, and for I just write paragraph here. So I just write this is the uh, I just write this is the paragraph for sticky position. I just you may write also. So what I can write here, I just write uh, here I just write this is the paragraph for our sticky position. And after that I just write our I just create a division for and inside the division I just declare a class here, and a class is sticky, and I just close it by using slash div. And I just write a message here, that is this div for sticky position here. And I just close it by using slash div. Make sure that when you open a tag you should and must close the tag. And I just in the next position I just create a div and give the style is padding border is 1000 pixel. I just create another div here, and I just close it by using slash div. And here you can see that this is the total paragraph. I just simply copy paste it. You can use your own paragraph, it's up to you. And I just simply paste it here. uh, uh, and after that, after pasting I just save it. I just save it, that is sticky position, and I just save it in .html file. And after saving I just run it uh, by using press F12. And here you can see that 1000 pixel scrolling bar text heading is present here. And next one, when you scroll it you can see that I just running it. This is the heading portion, this is the paragraph portion, and this one is the our 1000 pixel heading here. And this is the total our scrolling portion here. When I just scroll it slowly, it can scrolling is up to you, but the text portion is present at the top of the position. There is no scrolling present occur here in the text portion or our head portion, but the tail portion of the text will be uh, scrolling. So you can see how can sticky position is used.